Hi, I'm Dr. Merrill Reiss of Georgia Veterinary Associates, and today we'll be discussing spay and neuter. Recovery after a spay is most critical in the first 24 to 48 hours, where pain control will be the main focus in keeping the pets comfortable and quiet. The sutures dissolve underneath the skin and require about 10 days for optimum healing. With neuter, it's even easier than a spay. Usually within 24 hours, our male patients are very comfortable resuming normal activity, except for making sure that their sutures underneath the skin are healing well. Cats will receive pain medication to go home with after a spay or neuter. Cats tend to gain some weight after spay or neuter. That's somewhat expected, but knowing ahead of time allows you to adjust for that. It's unlikely that your cat's personality will change much after spay or neuter, but their instinct to hunt out a mate will disappear, which is definitely a benefit. Your tomcat may stick closer to home with a neutering. His instinct to find a mate will subside, but it's always important to have your pet microchipped if they go outside. It's best not to allow your female cat to have a litter before you spay her. Her best chances at health occur if spaying happens before the first heat. Breast cancer risk reduction is greatest with that. Neutering definitely helps with eliminating spray behavior to a great degree. Spaying or neutering, while thought to be a painful surgery, really is very well taken care of with the pain medications we give before we even start a surgery. Female cats tend to be less vocal after a spay because they don't have a heat cycle where they indicate to a male that they're ready to reproduce. Cats do require anesthesia, as all of us would for a surgical procedure, and we use the safest methods available. It's important to monitor your pet's incision closely after surgery. If the pet is able to lick or chew at their incision, get around an e-collar or a protective shirt, it's important to have the pet reevaluated. Spays and neuters are pretty routine for us and take anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It's encouraged to get your pet's microchip placed during a spay or neuter because they are under anesthesia and can't feel the insertion of the microchip, although it's perfectly safe to administer a microchip in an awake pet as well.